YouTube. So here it is. This is my 2016 BMW 340i X Drive. Let's go for a night drive. Let's quickly check my watch to see how it looks. All right. So the car is already warm. Let's drop it over to Sport Plus real quick. All right, so this is my 2016 BMW 340i. Currently, it's stage 1 tune. I'm running MHD. For the past 3-4 months, I would say. So I've really had time to, get used to the tune. And what is this guy doing? Hey, make up your mind, my boy. So yeah, I've really had time to, get used to the tune and feel the difference between stock and stage 1. And I'm going to tell you from now, like, it feels absolutely different. The low-end torque, the mid-range pull, up top, like everything feels totally different. It's like it just keeps going and going and going and going. And bear in mind, there has been no hardware modification, so I'm not running any upgraded intake, no downpipe. It's completely stock with an MHD stage 1 tune. So in the near future, I'm thinking of getting obviously a downpipe and run MHD stage 2 tune, not stage 2 plus. So I'll be running that on 91. Yeah, I'll be running that on 91 tune, and I'm gonna have a map for a 93 for whenever I go to the track. Let's roll up my windows a little bit so that you can hear me. Yeah, for whenever I go to the track, then I'll try to get max power. But on a day-to-day basis, this is my daily car, so buying 94 2-3 times for the week is not financially responsible for me at the moment. And yeah, that's why I'm gonna keep it 91. So yeah, the car is really fun. Like, if you are in the market for a BMW 340i or 240i or anything 40i, but you're just a bit hesitant, you have heard some things about BMWs in the past being unreliable, always leaking oil, lots of coolant issues and all of that. Let me tell you right now, from personal experience, right, this is not what I've heard that I'm only speaking on, but personally I can say that this car is truly fun to drive and has been extremely reliable. Now, the maintenance obviously will be more expensive than owning a Honda Accord or a Toyota Corolla, because it's a BMW. So the oil changes has to be a bit more frequent, right? The oil changes themselves are a bit more expensive. So to put it into perspective, when I had my Toyota, it was about $8 to do an oil change, and I would change my oil every maybe 10,000-15,000. Yeah, maybe every 10,000-15,000 kilometers, somewhere there about. While owning this, even though BMW recommends a $10,000 oil change, I change it at every 5K, right? So Doing that has really helped with, you know, jumping in the car and not having to worry whether or not it's going to start, and getting the consistency with the performance aspect, you know, taking pulls here and there, and just having the ability to commute on a daily basis. It's really fun, man. And yeah, driving it, so I must say I might have been a bit disappointed where the handling is concerned. You know, like, we've all heard about BMW's handling extremely great, and most of the times most of the time they're talking about, like, you know, the M's and yeah, the M models of the Bimmers, but even like the previous generation to the F chassis, so the E92s and the E90s, I heard those, you know, felt really good. Like the steering, you could feel. Oh, what do we have here? A Golf R. See if we can get some action. I'll follow up with you afterwards. Oh, it's a GTI. Oh, he doesn't want to play. Let's see. Let's see if he wants to smoke, guys. No. Nope. All right. Yeah. What was I saying before? I don't even remember. I don't even remember. But point is, get the car. If you're in the market, get the car. For things like this. Guys, you're not being scared if, you know, you see an X-Performance machine, you want to have fun, then almost any vehicle you'll be able to have fun with. Golf R's, Audi RS, well, RS3s, if you're stage 2, yeah, but S3s, S4s, S5s, all of those, yeah, biscuit. That's like taking candy from a baby, you know what I mean? So I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you want more, then be sure to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up so that I know you want more. And yeah, oh, we got the Golf coming again. Okay, maybe this is not the end of the video. He changed his mind. All right, buddy. You are moving lame. Yeah, so if you like the video, then feel free to let me know. Drop in the comments what you think, what you want to see, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.